I'm Olivia, and today we're going to make silly alligator wraps. For our silly alligator wraps, we're going to need 1 tortilla, 1/4 of an avocado, 1 baby carrot, 1 olive, 1 piece of cheese, some lettuce, and some chicken. Let's start. First, take a knife with parent supervision, cut your tortilla in half. This half is going to be for your alligator feet, the head, and the tail. This half is going to be for the wrap. So first we're going to start with the avocado. You can put it all on one side. Then the chicken. And then the lettuce. You roll it up, keeping all the pieces inside. You can pull it towards you as you roll. If some pieces fall out, that's okay. We're gonna put it on our plate. Transfer it to the plate, get all the pieces. This is our alligator's body. We can put this to the side. Next, we're gonna cut out some alligator tail, feet, and heads. You can start by cutting your alligator feet. Cut a long strip out of the piece you already have. This is going to be your feet. Cut this in half. Cut them in half one more time. And now you can stack them. And we're going to cut out little toes. You can put them all together or work 2 at a time. Cut little triangles to give the appearance of claws. Everyone knows alligators have sharp claws. You can save these triangles for teeth later. So now we have our alligator feet. Tuck your alligator feet under your alligator body. They can stick out the sides. With the remaining piece, we need a tail and a head. We're going to cut another strip. And this rounded piece, I think, would make a good tail. We're gonna cut another little. Now we have our tail. It's like a smiley face. You can put the tail on the back of your alligator. Next, for the head. You can make the snout rounded, rounding the end. And cut off a piece for your nose. This is my nose. That can go on the alligator's head. The rest you can round out and that'll be its face. You can stand this up on the front of your alligator. This is where the eyes will go. So for the eyes, I have this funnel that has a round hole. I'm going to punch out 2 holes in my cheese. Look at that. These 2 holes are going to be the whites of the eyes. I'm going to place them on my alligator's face. It's okay if they fall. Next, I'm going to take my 2 pieces of olive that are cut horizontally. These are the part the alligator sees with. Next, we're going to take our cheese and cut some triangles for some teeth. You can cut a line out of your cheese first if you want. Fold it in half. Cut some triangles. Just go diagonal with your knife, but ask a parent for some help. Now that I have my teeth, I'm going to put those under the alligator. Because an alligator catches food with their sharp teeth. I gave my alligator 4 teeth. How many does yours have? Next, we're going to use our baby carrot to decorate. We're going to cut little circles out of our carrot. Take these circles and you can put them anywhere on your alligator. I'm going to put mine on top. and on the tail. Now my alligator is ready to be eaten. Thanks for making lunch with me.